Students, we will discuss active and passive voice. Yesterday also the topic was discussed. In continuation with that, we are going to discuss. Now we will discuss interchange of voices. Yesterday's class, you might have understood what is active voice, what is passive voice. We discussed that active voice is subject dominated, passive voice is object dominated, and how we change active voice and a passive voice. In active voice, subject remains dominated. In passive voice, object remains dominated. We discussed that when we change active voice into passive voice, then we have to bring the subject of active voice at the place of object and object at the place of subject. By is used, third form is used, all that we have discussed. Now how interchange of voices. Remember the following table for the passive forms of verbs corresponding to their active forms. Okay, remember the following table for the passive forms of verbs corresponding to their active voice. Okay, in active voice, what verb forms are used there in passive voice? For the verb forms of active voice, what verb forms are used in passive voice? You write it. First of all, present, indefinite tense. So in active, first form of the verb, and in passive it will become passive voice is, am, are plus third form of the verb. Okay, present indefinite tense. So in present indefinite tense, if there remains first form of the verb, then that will change into is, am, are plus third form of the verb. Now is, am, are will be followed. Is, am, are will be followed by what? It will be followed by subject. If a subject will be singular, then it will have is. If the subject will be plural, then it will have are, and if the subject is I, then it will be followed by am. Okay, so if it is in active voice, if it is first form of the verb, okay, as or es form of the verb, then how that will become? There in passive voice, is, am, are plus third form of the verb. Then you write past tense. Okay, past indefinite tense. So in past tense, we have second form of the verb. So how it will change? It will change was, were plus third form of the verb. Okay, was, were plus third form of the verb. Okay, in second form, what remains there? Second form of the verb. So when this will be changed into passive voice, then the passive voice will have was, were plus third form of the verb. Okay, singular subject will carry was, plural subject will have were. Okay, so like that you have to write. Then you write about present continuous, present continuous tense is, am, are plus ing. So it will change into is, am, are, is, am, are, being plus third form of the verb. How it will change? Present continuous. In present continuous, what remains there? Is, am, are plus ing form of the verb. Okay, so it will change into is, am, are plus being. Being is to be used, and then third form of the verb. Okay, so how present continuous tense is changed. We will discuss it with examples. First of all, you write down the construction pattern. Okay. Then regarding past continuous. Okay. So in past continuous, what will remain there? Was, were plus ing. So it will change into was, were, being plus ing. Okay. Was, were, being plus third form. It will change into was, were, being plus third form of the verb. Okay, children. So if it is past continuous tense, in past continuous, the construction pattern is was, were plus ing. So when it will be changed into passive voice, it will become was, were plus being plus ing. Okay. So in present continuous, what will be, how it will be changed? In present continuous, it will become is, am, are, being plus third form. In past continuous, it will become was, were plus being plus a third form. And what we have discussed in simple present, present, the first form of the verb in active passive will change into is, am, are plus third form. Okay, is, am, are used as per the subject. Then in past indefinite, second form of the verb will be there, so that will change into was, were plus third form of the verb. Was, were will be used as per subject. So you write it, then we will proceed. All of you have written it or not? Yes, students? Yeah, you write it, then we will move for the next. Then we will discuss regarding present perfect and past perfect. So in present perfect, there remains subject plus has, have plus third form of the verb. So it will change into has, have plus been plus third form of the verb. Okay. And in past perfect, subject plus had plus third form of the verb. So it will change into had plus been plus third form of the verb. So like this, the changes of verb forms are taking place from active to passive form. To do it, write it.
Done, sir.
All of you have written.
No, sir.
Where is Sugna? Is Sugna there? Sugna at the
Yes,
starting
sir.
of class? Okay, okay. Yeah, write it, all of you. Is S. Karthikeyan there in the class? Karthikeyan? Karthikeyan? S. Karthikeyan, are you there in the class? Srishti Meena? Is Srishti Meena attending the class? Srishti Meena? All these students, they don't attend the class. Write it fast. All of you have written or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you tell me, is there any student who has not written? Is there any child who has not written? Is there any child who has not written? It means all of you have written. Okay? Okay, children. So present perfect tense has, have plus third form of the verb. So when it will be changed in passive form, it will become has, have plus been plus third form of the verb. What it will change into? Has, have, been plus third form of the verb. Likewise, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. So in past perfect tense, you will find had plus third form of the verb, had plus third form of the verb. So what it will change? This form there in active voice. What it will change into? It will change into had plus been plus third form of the verb. Okay, so you understand it as per the perfect tense. In a present perfect tense, has, have plus third form of the verb, it has changed into has, have plus been plus third form of the verb. Okay, then past perfect tense, had plus third form of the verb, there in active voice. In passive, what the verb form will take place? Had plus been plus third form of the verb. Okay, so likewise, then further you write regarding this future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense will plus shall, will, shall plus first form of the verb will change into okay. Future indefinite or simple future, you will find will, shall plus first form of the verb. Will, shall, first form of the verb. That is the construction pattern that of simple future or future indefinite. So in active voice you will find it will, shall plus first form of the verb. So it will change into will, shall plus be plus third form of the verb. Okay, so likewise simple future is changed. Then you write about future perfect tense. Future perfect tense will, shall, have plus third form of the verb will change into will, shall plus have been plus third form of the verb. Okay, so in future perfect, in future perfect you will find will, shall plus have plus third form of the verb in active voice. So in passive it will become will, shall, have plus been plus third form of the verb. Okay, so this is how we have discussed. Okay, students, so you write it, then we will discuss in the form of examples. So there you will find this structure, that how the verb form of active voice, they are changing into passive voice. Okay, so you will understand in a much better way then. So you write it, we will discuss then with examples. But in simple present and simple past, okay, how they are changed is, am, are, was, were plus third form of the verb in passive voice. Okay, simple present and simple past, how they are changed is, am, are, was, were. This you have to take depending upon the tense.
Sir,
Plus
side, please.
of the verb. Okay, Venita, correct. Then in present continuous and past continuous, how the passive form will be replaced is, am, are, was, were, okay, plus being. Okay, and then ing, then third form of the verb. So being you have to use. And in present perfect and past perfect, has, have, had, depending upon the tense and depending upon the subject. Has, have, had plus been plus third form of the verb. So likewise, you have to use the verb forms. We will discuss with examples, then it will be more clarified to you. All of you have written or not?
Completed, sir. Yes, sir.
Is there any child who has not written?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
All of you have written? Okay. Now only that child will
Yes, sir.
speak who has not written. If any one of you has not written, that child will only speak. If any one of you has not written, that child will speak only.
Sir, side please.
Okay. All of you have written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, now you write the examples one by one. Simple present. We expect good news. I know him. Okay. So children see.
So,
Yes. Yes.
Vivans mic is on.
Yes, Charisma. So this is Charisma.
Sir,
Do
Vivans mic is on and it is making noise.
you want to say something, Charisma? Yes, Charisma, repeat. Yes. What you want to say, Charisma? Okay. So now, simple present, how it will be changed? She helps the poor. Okay. So S or ES form of the verb. Help, helps. We know that it is simple present. We expect good news. This is simple present. First form of the verb is there. I know him. Simple present, first form of the verb is there. Now in active voice, it remains subject dominated. She helps the poor. Okay, so it is dominated by subject. Now what we discussed, that in passive voice, object will come at the place of subject, subject will go at the place of object, by will be used, third form of the verb will be used. How it will be used? Is, am, are plus third form of the verb. So she helps the poor. What is the object in this? What is the object? She helps the poor. What is the object in this? Yes, students?
Poor.
Yes.
Poor.
So the poor is the object. Okay. So she helps the poor is the object. The poor, okay, is, am, are plus third form we have to take from. So the poor subject, it will be followed by what? The poor is. The poor is. Okay. Then Verb form, which verb form will be used in passive? Third. So the poor is helped. The poor is helped. By is used. The poor is helped by, and this subject will go at the place of object.
By
Okay.
her.
So yes, the poor is helped by her. This is how it will be changed. Okay, so you have understood that in simple present, this verb form, this is first verb form. Verb form is first form of the verb. How it will be changed? It will be changed is, am, are. Is, am, are plus third form of the verb. Is, am, are plus third form of the verb. Okay, so is, am, are is to be selected depending upon the subject, and the subject is singular. So this subject will be followed by what? Is. Okay, so the poor is, third form we have taken. The poor is helped by her. Okay, students.
Okay,
Now
sir.
the next, we expect good news. We expect good news. Okay, so good news is the object. So how it will change? Good news. Good news. Okay, it will be followed by is, am, or are. What it will be followed by? It will be followed by is. Good news is. Verb form will remain.
Expected by us.
Verb form will remain third. So good news is expected. Good news is expected by us. Good news is expected by us. Okay, students, you have understood it or not?
Understood, sir.
Okay, then I know him. You change it. I know him. You change it. I know him. So this object him will come at the place of subject. When it will come at the place of subject, it will become he. So he is.
He is
Verb form third. So he is
known by me.
Yes, he is known by me. Okay, this I, when it will come at the place of object, it will become me. So he is known by me. This is how in simple present. Okay, simple present it has changed. Active voice has changed into passive voice. Then you write about simple past. She kept us waiting. Then I employed 200 men. The hunter did not aim at the bird.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
sir,
Yes.
Vivant's mic is making too much noise. So please
Whose mic?
mute it. Vivant.
Vivan, unmute yourself, Vivan, unmute yourself. Okay. So she kept us waiting. She kept us waiting. Verb form is second, means it is simple past. I employed 200 men. This is simple past because the verb form is second form of the verb. The hunter did not. Okay, did. So this is second form of the verb. So what it is? What it is? Simple past. So second form of the verb that we discussed. In second form of the verb, how it will change into How it will change into passive form?
Into perfect, past perfect.
It will change into was, were. Was, were plus third form. We are discussing active passive, not direct and indirect. So second form of the verb, how it will change in passive form? Was, were plus third form. Okay, so she kept us waiting. She kept us waiting. Us, that is the object. It will come at the place of subject. So what it will become? We. Okay, now was, were.
We were.
Because it is
We
okay.
were wait.
Yeah, we were.
We were waited.
We were.
Kept waited.
We were kept. Third form. We were kept. We were kept. Waited. We were kept by her. Okay. So likewise you have to do. Then it is next, I employed 200 men. Okay. So 200 men.
200 men
Two-
were employed by me.
Yes, 200 men. 200 men. It will be followed by were. So 200 men were employed by me. Then the hunter did not aim at the bird. So the bird
Was not aimed by the hunter.
by the hunter. Okay, the bird was not aimed at by the hunter. Okay. So likewise children, likewise it is to be done. Okay. So this much you have written or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
No, sir.
So this is children what we discussed, that how the verb forms are changed. They are in passive voice. So regarding simple present we have discussed. Then regarding simple past we have discussed that first form of the simple present will change into is, am, are plus third form, that all in the passive. Then simple past was, were plus third form. Okay. So likewise, all of you have written or not? All of you have understood or not?
सर हो गया.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So then you write the next one. Then present continuous. Okay, present continuous tense. First of all, active voice, then passive voice. The gardener is plucking flowers. Then he is driving a motor car. Then boys are flying kite. Okay, children, what we discussed, that present continuous tense, how it changes in passive voice is, am, are, being plus third form of the verb. Is, am, are, being plus third form of the verb. Okay. Object at the place of subject, subject at the place of object, by is used, third form of the verb is used. The gardener is plucking flowers. Okay, so what is the object?
Flower is
Flowers.
being. Yes.
Flowers. Okay. So
Flowers
now
are.
is, am, are, being plus third form of the verb. Is, am, are, being plus third form of the verb. Is, am,
Sir, it
are.
is flower or flowers?
Okay, so is, am, are. This are will be used depending upon the subject. So flowers will be followed by what?
Are.
Are. So
Flowers
flowers are.
being
Then what will be
plucked.
used? Flowers are
Being plucked
being.
Plucked
Flowers
by
are being.
the
Then verb
gardener.
form will be third. So flowers are
by the
being
gardener.
plucked
Plucked by the gardener.
by the, what is the
Gardener.
subject? It
Gardener.
will go at the place of object, by the gardener. Okay. So is it clear to you? Okay, students?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay, then
second
he-
point what is?
Then yes,
Second
Karishma.
example. Sir, second example. What is
Yes,
written?
yes. Yeah, you tell second example. What it will?
No, sir.
He-
I am saying what is written. I can't
Yes,
see the last
he is
word.
driving a motor car. He is driving a motor car. So, what is
A
the
motor
object?
car is being
driven by a-
Come at the
motor
place of
car.
subject. A
A
motor
motor
car.
car
A motor car
is being
is-
driven by him.
Yes, a
Being-
motor car is being. A motor car is. A motor car is being driven. A motor car is being driven by, he will become him. A motor car is being driven by him. Okay. Okay, students. Then boys are flying kite. So
A kite is being
flown. Okay.
flown by
Yeah,
boy.
kite is being flown by boys. Okay, students, kite is being flown by boys. Kite is the object, so it came at the place of subject. Boys, it went there at the place of object. Okay, so what we discussed, that present continuous, what verb form it will take there in passive voice? Is, am, are, being. Is, am, are. Is, am, are, being plus third form. Is, am, are, being plus third form. So present continuous is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
past
sir.
continuous. Now in past continuous, in passive, what it will become? Was, were
It will
plus
was being.
was, were plus being plus third form. Was, were plus being plus a third form. So you write it. Past continuous tense. She was milking the cow. Okay. The farmer was so what? Yeah. She was milking the cow. What it will become?
The cow was being milked by her.
Yes, the cow was being milked by, the cow was being milked by her. The cow was being milked by her. So what we discussed, that past continuous, how it will change in passive form, was, were, depending upon the subject, plus being, plus third form of the verb. Okay, so the cow, this, she was milking the cow. She is the subject, the cow is the object. We have taken the cow at the place of subject. The cow, it will be followed by was. The cow was. Being is to be used in present continuous and past continuous. So the cow was being milked. By is to be used by her, because this subject she, it went there at the place of object, and there it became her. Okay, students?
Okay,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
understood.
The farmer was plowing the field.
The field
field
was
was
not being
being-
plugged by
being-
the farmer.
Sir, मैं
Being
बोलती हूँ
plowed
पहले.
by the farmer. Okay.
The field was being plowed by the farmer.
Field was being plowed by the farmer. Okay. So you have understood it or not, student? That
Yes, sir, understood.
that
Yes,
past continuous, what passive form it will take, was, were, plus being, plus third form of the verb. Okay, so you do it, you write it fast, then we will discuss
Yes, sir.
regarding the present perfect and past perfect. You write it fast.
Completed, sir.
Completed.
Is there any student who has not written?
No.
All of you have written.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then children, okay, present perfect tense. Okay, so present perfect tense has, have. So how it will change in passive form?
Has, have plus been plus third
Has,
form.
have, plus been, plus third form of the verb. Has, have, plus been, plus third form of the verb. So I have done my duty. So it will change my
My duty has been
Duty.
done
My
by me.
duty,
my duty
has
has, my duty
has
has
been
been.
done
Because
by
Has been
why
done by
has?
me.
Because singular subject. If it had been plural subject, then have would have been used. My duty has been. My duty has been done
By me.
by me. My duty has been done by me. She has sold the cow.
the cow
The-
has
Her
been
cow has
sold
been sold by her.
by
Yes, the cow has been sold by her. The cow, okay, she has sold the cow. The cow has been sold by her. Okay, students. Then the
Yes,
next
sir.
it is regarding past
Perfect tense.
perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense. So regarding past perfect, you write they had already opened the gate. Opened the gate. Okay, they had already opened the gate.
May
So
The
in
gate-
past
the
perfect,
gate had already been opened by them.
yeah. In present perfect, has, have plus been plus third form. In past, had plus been plus third form. Okay, so they had already opened the gate. The gate had
been opened,
Or already been
yeah,
opened by
the
him.
gate had already been opened by them.
Them.
Okay, the gate had already been opened by them. Okay, so what you have to focus on, they had already opened the gate. That this had plus third form, it will change into what? Had plus been plus third form. Okay, so likewise children, you write one more example. We had never visited Delhi before. Okay, so how it will change? We had never visited.
Delhi had never been visited by us before.
Delhi had been. Delhi
Delhi had been
had been
visited
never visited
By us
by
before.
by
ne-
us before.
never visited by us
Before.
before. Okay, Delhi had been never visited by us before. So likewise children, the time is getting up. Likewise, you have to change active voice into passive voice. Okay, so you write it, then it is the time
Done,
for
sir.
the next class.
Okay, sir. Bye.
In tomorrow's class, we will discuss regarding simple future, future perfect, imperative sentences. Okay, how they are changed, and then I will give you some more examples so that you can understand it even more. Okay, so here this class comes to an end. All of you have written or not?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
please 2 minutes.
Done, sir.
Yeah, write it fast.
Sir, लिख लीजिए. Sir, done, sir.
Complete, sir.
All of you have written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, students.